Hello friends, today I'm going to answer another question asked by Clezido for Alan. Hey everybody, can anyone recommend a good eye sharpening Photoshop tutorial? So the answer is yes, and let's go. First of all, if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the updates. I have downloaded this beautiful photo from unsplash.com. There are too many ways to sharpen the eyes, but I will tell you the lightest and fastest one today. First of all, duplicate the layer. Then go to Filter, Other, and click on High Pass. In High Pass, first move the radius slider to the left. Then slowly and gradually move the slider to the right side. Look in the preview window right here. Increase the radius until you see the whole details clearly, and you can also convert the layer into Smart Object if you want to do the non-destructive work. This is too much. .7 is looking fine. Change the blend mode to overlay. Apply the layer mask and invert it. To invert the mask, just select the mask, and press and hold the Ctrl or Command+I from your keyboard. Then take the brush tool and make sure that the white is selected as your foreground color. Use soft brush and paint over the eyeball. Now look, before and after. Let's decrease the flow and add some sharpness to the edges of the eye. And now if you want to enhance the sharpness, you can change the blending mode to hard light. Look at that. You can also try vivid light. Wow. Do the same with the other eye by using the same mask. Just paint over the both eyes to make them sharp. Hope you understood. See you.